Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, the trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the weekly, the trend is up on the daily. I am only looking for longs because of all three of those reasons. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna now say that I think there's a good chance that it could go down. I will not be shorting it. I think this is very likely going to make an ABC correction like this, and I will be patiently waiting for the long opportunity that is potentially coming at the end of this wave C. Now, why will I not be shorting it? Because the trend is up on every single higher time frame. What does that tell me? That tells me this potentially could make a higher low, higher low, higher low, and just keep going up. I hope it goes down, not to short it. I hope it goes down so I can go long at the end of a wave C like this. But I definitely will not be taking a counter trend, unpredictable move that potentially will not work out. I would much prefer to just wait patiently for a three-way pullback and a Fibonacci bounce to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.